Hey guys, welcome back to the Meat Cutting Academy. My name is Brian, and in today's episode we're going to be brining a turkey. So I picked up this brine mix right here over at Costco. It was about $10, and I figured I'd give it a try. It sounded really good. So turkeys, you want to have those cooked at 165 internal temp. So make sure you have an internal meat thermometer so you can check that. If you go over that 165, you're just going to overcook the turkey and it's going to dry out. So you actually want to pull that off a few degrees before it reaches that point. You want to let your turkey rest, because when it's resting it's actually increasing in temperature. So anyway, let's get started. I've got some, this calls for 1 gallon of water to boil with 2 cups of this mix. So we're going to wait for the water to boil and we're going to add this, and probably it's got to rest in the refrigerator and cool down before we add our turkey. We'll probably get to that point tomorrow. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. So it says mixing instructions for 1 turkey up to 18 pounds. Mix 2 cups of the brine mix and 1 gallon of boiling water. And this is just about there. I'm not going to wait anymore. So I've got my 2 cups here. I'm going to pour those guys in. And I'm going to stir this until it's all dissolved. And then I'm going to take this off of the burner and let it sit till it's lukewarm. Throw it in the fridge till it's cold. And then throw my turkey in there. Alright guys, our brine is done resting in the fridge. It's nice and cold now. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to part out this turkey and throw it in the brine. And it's really up to you whether you want to keep it whole or part it out. I think for us it just works out better just to part it out. So I'll start by taking this little holder out of here. There we are. Good neck. There we go. Take this little plastic guy out of here. There we go. Okay, so first we're going to take the wings off. Just cut it right here. And I like to push, and that kind of pops the bone out of the joint. And just follow through, cut that off. Throw that in your brine bucket. Same thing with this guy. There we go, and it'll pop when you hit deep enough. Okay, throw that in there. And then I want to separate the drumstick and thigh from the body. You just pull the leg back and you see the skin here, and you just score that. And then you can kind of see where the thigh attaches. And just kind of cut up top here, right parallel with the body. And then I like to push with my finger like that, and then you push that out of the joint. And then you can come in here and cut in between the joint all the way down. And you have your leg quarter. Just throw that in there. Repeat on the other side. Pop it out of the joint. Cut right here. There we go. Another leg quarter done. And then you're left with the backbone and the breast. So I personally like to come over here and just kind of cut right along the backbone all the way down. A little harder on the other side. Actually, not really. It was just kind of awkward for me to reach that far. So pull back and then just kind of push up. And just separate. Got your backbone. Then you've got your whole breast here. And just throw that in the pot as well. Okay, we have all of our chicken parts in our brine mix here. Looking really good. I'm going to throw this in the refrigerator for the 12 hours to 24 hours that it requires. And we'll come back and smoke this guy up. Alright guys, our turkey's been sitting for about 24 hours in the refrigerator. So we're going to rinse this off as the directions say. Pat dry and put it on the smoker. Alright guys, got everything patted down dry. I've got my Traeger smoker set to 300 degrees. I'm going to throw these guys on there, and should take a couple hours to get done. Alright guys, just pulled this turkey off the smoker, got it to 165. I forgot to mention that the pellets that I used were the whiskey barrel pellets, and on the website it says they pair pretty well with anything, and I've had pretty good luck with it so far. Alright, so let's cut into this. I'm curious to see how that brine made it taste, or if it made it moist. I'm sure it did. Oh, so far so good. Looks nice. Yeah, that's actually really, really good. I can taste a lot of those seasonings kind of coming in through the meat. Just want to remind you guys what the brand was on that. Rodell Gourmet Spice Blend Turkey Brine from Costco. It's right there. And I assume that they're running out of this pretty quick, so you might want to go over there and pick some up if you can. Yeah, I highly recommend this. This is actually really, really good. So, unless you like to make your own brine, some people do. I haven't tried that yet, but yeah, highly recommend. So, just want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. Hope if you don't do this particular recipe that this inspires you to do one of your own. Hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.